Saying number 130. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, "In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful." When Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, returned from the Battle of Siffin and noticed the graves outside Kufa, he said, "O residents of houses which give a sense of loneliness, of depopulated areas and gloomy graves. O people of the dust, O victims of strangeness, O people of loneliness and O people of desolateness. You have gone ahead and preceded us while we are following you and will meet you. The houses you left have been inhabited by others, the wives you left have been married by others. The properties have been distributed among heirs. This is the news about those around us. What is the news about things around you?" Then Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, turned to his companions and said, "Beware, if they were allowed to speak they would inform you that verily, the best provision is fear of Allah."